Hi, this is Chris Masiello from VitaminCM.com, and today I'm going to talk about using content marketing to market products on your website. So there's a lot of talk about content marketing, and everybody says that you need to do it, but there's not a lot of people that kind of show you how and the steps to do. So I have a product, it's just a little ebook on my site full of Excel tutorials, and what I want to do is use a combination of blog articles, video uploads, image uploads, PowerPoint presentation, and Word documents to market people and head them all back to this page on my website where they can buy my book. So the first thing I did was I wrote a blog article, which is a tutorial that shows some of the things that are included in the ebook. This one happens to be on doing VLOOKUPs in Excel. And as I wrote the tutorial, I generated a lot of content that could be repurposed later on down the road. When I was done writing the tutorial, I turned on a screencasting software and recorded a screencast of how to perform the thing that I was documenting. And I uploaded that to YouTube, and I also embedded it on the site, so there's a video tutorial here. And in the description of the video on YouTube, there's a link pointing back to my page. I also uploaded an image to Flickr that was in this article, and the same thing in the description, I put a link back to this page. Then I took the information in the article and I turned it into a brief PowerPoint presentation, which you can see here. I uploaded that presentation to SlideShare, and if you notice inside the presentation there's links back to my page too, and people can view it here or they can embed it on their own site, and then these links will point back to my site where they can hopefully buy my product. And I also created a Word document that has links back to my site and shows some information, and I posted this to DocStock, where people can read it, embed it on their own site, click links back to my site. So basically all of these different pieces of content I created and shared all have hopefully useful and interesting information that will make people want to click on them and go back to my site where they can then be converted into a purchase. Now, you need to do a couple things to get this ready and make it work well. So I have in one folder on my computer, I have all my images, I have my Word document, my PowerPoint file, some video that I uploaded, and also this metadata file, and I'll show you what that is. This is really important to the whole process. So it's just a little bit of text where I have information that I'm going to reuse on all these social media sites. So I have the URL that I want to point people back to, I have the title that I want to point people back to, I have tags that are relevant for the information. Then for the video, I have a description, for the image, for the presentation, for the document description, I have descriptions of all these things, and inside of each of them, if you'll notice, there's a link that will point people back to the page that I want them to go to. So when I go to upload the video to YouTube or some other sites, or upload the image to Flickr or Facebook or something, I just can quickly copy and paste and upload it to a bunch of places really fast, and that will ultimately drive many people back here where hopefully some of them will make a purchase. So that's basically the whole process in a nutshell. You put something up on your website that you want people to do, and then you create relevant and useful content that will point people back to that place where you want them to end up, and you can then post it on different parts of the internet. And that's really the whole content marketing process in a nutshell. Now, some people do it on a bigger scale, but if you just take these steps and amplify them out, you can do that.